Hello everyone, what's up? I hope that everyone is fit and fine. I am also doing great. And now the time is 8 a.m. and I am in Cumilla Railway Station. I think you can understand that a huge number of people they are present here, because within a short time a train will come, and this is maybe their train, and that's why they are now very busy. So this is for the first time I came here at this winter season, because I want to understand what happens here in the railway station at this very morning. So I think you also I'm not able enough to capture the train using my device, and I think I will try. Okay, I think you can understand. Here is the train, and I think this train will stop here, and then the general people, they will try to go. Look at this. This train is still running. Yeah. Sometimes when I make some videos outside of my home, at that time I see a huge number of people. They are interested to see what's the boy is doing. Is he doing any TikTok or such type of things? So after that, whenever they listen that I am talking in English, at that time they could understand that okay, maybe he is doing something better. So there are several types of people. Some people they try to insult me. Some people they try to talk with me, and some people they are actually praise me that okay, you are doing great. So please do whatever you want. So this is the things, and same things happened in case of online media. Whenever I try to upload this type of videos in Facebook, at that time some people they try to insult me. Some people they say, oh, you don't have enough vocabulary, you don't have your grammar is dead, and you can't do anything. Such type of things they actually try to say me, but it's actually their choice. They can do this type of things, but again I will try to upload more and more videos. I think I am actually not teaching English to the people. I am just encourage some beginners who are fear of starting their English speaking journey. So I think my videos will motivate them, as I don't have enough vocabulary. I am agree with this that I don't have enough vocabulary. I don't know English grammar properly. I am not using such type of things. Then again, I am practicing English speaking. So I think the beginners who are in a fear that how can I start my English speaking journey, they will get some motivation that this poor guy start practicing English speaking, so why not I? So for this reason I try to upload this type of videos. So obviously when you are in a public platform, especially in Facebook or such type of social media which people can easily access, and they don't have to pay enough money, I think at that time you must have to consider this type of criticism or such type of insult and such type of things. So it doesn't matter, I will upload more and more videos. And another one thing is, some people they try to say me, bro, your accent is not clear, you must have to think about how the native speakers they talk. So for this type of people, I just want to say, bro, I am a beginner, and my primary focus is now fluency. I try to improve my fluency, and after that I will try to change my accent, or I will try to make my pronunciation or such type of things better. But for this time I think it's enough, and I don't feel any discomfort related to this. So that's why I don't care that whoever make this type of comment. So that's all about today's video. Thank you for watching.